Hi there crafters, it's Helena from the HelenasHandarbeit blog. Today, Prym and I would like to show you how you can make this yoga bag and how to use the VARIO Creative Tool to affix rivets and eyelets. You will need a piece of fabric measuring 150 by 70 centimeters. We have chosen imitation leather for today, and we've got our Prym Vario Creative Tool along with the right tool sets for rivets, tubular rivets and 14mm eyelets. Then, of course, you will need decorative rivets of diameter 9mm, size 14mm eyelets, a tape measure, textile scissors or any rotary cutter if you prefer, along with a cutting mat, plus 2 magnetic snaps, suitable sewing thread for your fabric, fabric clips, a corner and edge shaper, a chalk wheel mouse, or trick marker. If you like, you can also attach your table clamp to your VARIO Creative Tool. The first step is to cut 2 rectangles measuring 68 by 66 centimeters. Place these 2 rectangles right sides together. Now mark 4 dots. These will be our punch points later for the magnetic snaps and the back handle. Measure a 13 centimeters edge section along the 66 centimeters edge. Now mark 2 punches per side, so 4 in total. Then join the 2 rectangles together by sewing along the open edges. The fabric clips marked in purple are your punches. You need to skip over those. Once you have securely stitched the open edges, use your fabric scissors to diagonally trim the corners. Now it's time to get to work with your corner and edge shaper to shape the corners. Step 2 is to affix 2 magnetic snaps along the 4 openings 4 centimeters below the cut edge. For the strap, cut a 55 by 20 centimeters rectangle. Fold the fabric in half, right sides together, and sew along the long edge. Finish the seam with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Then turn the fabric the right way out, twist the strap twice, and attach it to your punches running diagonally. Now stitch the seam, attaching the bag ring at the same time. Now it is time to insert the piercing tool for 14mm eyelets into your VARIO Creative Tool and use it to punch a hole. Then change the tool over and insert the adapter for 14mm. To do this, place the handle in a fully upright position, lift the VARIO Creative Tool and remove the height adjustable platform. Now it is time for the eyelet and washer. Place the eyelet on the fabric, with the washer on top, and put the fabric and eyelet into the VARIO Creative Tool. Once done, you can punch the eyelet. To do this, drop the handle into the middle position. At this point, you can readjust the fabric a little. Then push the handle all the way down. The eyelet is now fixed in place. It is time to decorate the bag with rivets. Insert the piercing tool for tubular rivets and regular rivets into your tool. Then position the fabric you wish to punch in the VARIO Creative Tool and drop the handle in the middle position. Check again that everything is in the right position, and then punch the hole. Now return the handle to the starting position. Time to remove the fabric and change the tool over. And now you will need to insert the adapter for affixing the rivets. You will also need to remove the height adjustable platform. Now push the rivet and rivet cap through the hole and place the fabric into the VARIO Creative Tool along with the rivet. Once again, set the handle to the middle position and check the positioning of the rivet and fabric before pushing the handle all the way down. Now the rivet is fully affixed. Return the handle to the starting position and remove the fabric and rivet from the tool. Happy sewing! If you want to know more about the VARIO Creative Tool, then you should definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel by Prym and head over to their website.